Get ready, Cape Town. The city is about to light up in the most spectacular way. The Wild Buggers Beach Buggy Club is gearing up for their biggest annual tradition, the Lights for Life run on Saturday, November 29th. Picture it, a dazzling convoy of old-school VWs, beach buggies, combis and cars, all classic, decked out in Christmas lights, cruising through the mother city in full festive glow. And here in studio to tell us more about this is president and founder and his wife, Anton and Mickey Klein. Welcome.
Hi there. Thank you for having us here.
Anton, I want to start. Take us back to the beginning. How did the idea of lighting up old school VWs and classic cars for a nighttime convoy first come about?
Actually, it's something that's been popping up all over the world with clubs and stuff. And why not? Let's just give it a go. And then there was a Beetle club that was doing it as well, but more in the southern suburbs. And then we came together, we tried to do one year together, and then we just took it further from there. We just decided, well, we're not stopping, we're continuing it every year, and it has just grown and grown and grown. And I've added more cars, like all classics, not just VWs anymore, and it's grown. And we've added some charity to it as well, and yeah, it's working.
So for listeners who might not know the Wild Buggers yet, how would you describe the spirit and community behind the Beach Buggy Club?
One huge family. We are just all friends together. We learn to know each other. We help one another. If somebody's car, look, it's old car, so if a car breaks, we are there to help. Sourcing parts has become difficult, so we help with that. It's just one big family. We have become friends.
Oh, that's so nice. Now, Mickey, over to you. I want to ask you, the annual Lights for Life run has become a real highlight on Cape Town's festive calendar. What makes this year's edition so special?
I think it's more what we've changed to be promoting for this. It's one of our own. He's got a little baby that's very ill, quite critical actually, 2-month-old baby. So we've asked everybody to donate to him because he unfortunately was retrenched at the same time. So he's sitting with a baby struggling for its life, and he has all these additional expenses. So that's why we are putting everything into this run, because we really want to help Aussie.
Oh, what a wonderful initiative. Now, for anyone picturing this event for the first time, can you maybe try and paint us a picture of what this glowing procession of Beetles, buggies, combis and classic cars look like on the road?
I get so excited, I tell you. First of all, it's such fun setting up our buggies.
Yeah.
I mean, we don't have a Christmas tree up at home because the lights are all over the buggy. And I've been sneaking new lights because we promised we would buy new lights every year. But Anton's going to find out tomorrow how many lights I've actually bought during the year.
On a credit card?
No. But it's so fun because the lights are, I mean, there's one gentleman who has a reindeer with Father Christmas with reindeer and a sleigh and everything on his vehicle. And the first year, it all fell off and the children were so traumatized. I shouldn't be laughing. But it was such fun. And he's actually become quite famous.
Yes, Mr. Jason Schaefer's, we're talking about you.
But it's awesome to see what the effort the people put in.
Of course. And just bring joy.
Yeah.
And
the smiles.
And what's nice is when we drive through the roads, people come running out restaurants with their cameras and they take videos of this whole potato coming past. It's just
But it's
awesome.
the smiles on their faces.
Yeah.
I know. And just bringing the festive joy.
Absolute.
Now, you're inviting all owners of air-cooled VWs and unique vehicles. What kind of turnouts are you hoping for this year?
Last year, I think we were about 80 vehicles, Yeah, last year we were about 80 vehicles, so let's hope for anything more than 80 will do. Let's hope for 100, 110 vehicles.
Okay. Now, can you maybe walk us through the meetup details at Food Lovers Market in One City and how the convoy gets organized before this 7:30 p.m. rollout?
Well, look, everybody just rocks up and then they start park off and then we start talking and I have like a short little speech for about 5 minutes to say, right, everybody, let's get ready, let's go. And then very, very slowly we move out because the long convoy like that, it's quite a story. And then very slowly we drive out and everybody just follows and there we go.
And you're also going to iconic spots like Camps Bay and Greenpoint.
Yes, we're going to we're going to stop at Greenpoint at the McDonald's, that area there. We'll park off there for at least an hour. That's for people that want to look at the cars, what have you. And then from there, those who still want to continue further we will then drive further on to Blobergstrand. And those who want to end there can end there at Greenpoint.
But not everybody needs to go to Blobergstrand.
No.
Now, Mickey, I want to ask you, is there a specific meaning or purpose behind the Lights for Life name, and what message do you hope the event sends to the community?
Initially, when we discussed it, we wanted, it was going to be Christmas lights, obviously, but obviously with the various denominations, not everybody believes in Christmas. So we wanted to keep that spirit going. But the Lights for Life, I couldn't even tell you who suggested it. It's a worldwide thing for helping children and welfare and that type of thing. So that's also what brought it in, the name. And it just evolved to Lights for Life.
Yeah.
And I see some of the other clubs they're also sticking to the name. It's a hopeful name.
Now, beyond the fun and spectacle, how important are community events like this for keeping classic car culture alive in Cape Town?
Actually, very important. There's not much for us to do anymore besides car shows, and a car show is pretty boring. You go there, you sit there for the whole day, and you must sit and look at your car. That's about it. So giving people actually something to do where you can actually physically drive your car and utilize your car, I think that's very important.
Now, for anyone listening who owns a VW Beetle, Buggy, Combi, but has never joined before, how easy is it for them to take part for the first time?
Very easy. Just rock up.
Just rock up.
Just rock
Strip
up.
your Christmas
Join
tree
with
of
us.
its lights
And put it all on the cars, yes.
and come and join us.
Yeah,
Be there
come
at
and
7.
join us. And if you want to stay part of the club for longer or want to do more things, come talk to me on a run. I'll take your name down and then I'll add you to a list and you will know of everything that's happening.
And finally, can you maybe tell us where can people get more information and who can they contact if they'd like to join the convoy or learn more about the club?
Well, I can give your number. Give your number.
It's Mickey. It's 082 49 77721.
Can you repeat that?
082 49 77721.
Otherwise, they can go to our website, wildbuggers.co.za.
Anton, Mickey, thank you. We all here at FMR wish you only the best of luck and spread the Christmas joy. Thank you so very much.
Thank you so much for you. Thank you very, very much.